Okay, so I'm going to take this and I'm going to highlight those three and I'm going to merge, and then I gotta go to the left here. There we go. So I think from here to here, I'm going to make this, I'm going to merge this and then move it over to the left, but I'm going to make this my drop down menu for the student names. So I want you to get this list ready. So I gave you a list of names. It's just blank, you know, it's just like generic names. So what I want you to do is I want you to highlight all those names. Control C, please. Come back over to yours. Add another sheet and then just Control V. Okay, so we're going to come into here. We are going to do data. We're going to data validation. This is going to be a list, and it says, hey, here, where's it coming from, right? So you're going to go to sheet 2, and you're going to just start grabbing them. And then you're going to move Screencastify and say apply. So when you go over to here, you'll have your first name right there.